Hello guys, so this is your YouTuber channel here, and today I'm gonna getting my grandfather clock. So it's right here, check it out. It's awesome. So now I'm just gonna put it in my house and then you will see. Okay, so let's just get home and get ready. Hello guys, and guess what? We are back, baby. That's right. And now we're gonna put a lot of videos today. And then guess what, guys? I got my grandfather clock. It's crazy. Alright, and also make sure to like and subscribe. And now back to the video. Woo! Alright guys, and we are here with another video. And now it's almost 9 o'clock. So right now I just put the Westminster chime. Let's see. And now with the pen on, and also the quarter bell that I see over here in the mechanism. So the first chime of the grandfather clock from right now in August, but never before this grandfather clock is like for like hours and everything into years ago. So we're just making this a chime for the first time, not during war, not during previous repairs. So we're gonna let you listen to the entirety of this first grandfather clock chime or sometime. Three, two, one. So grandfather clock will chime in 3, 2, 1. Go. So we're gonna let you listen to the entirety of this first grandfather clock chime or sometime. Here's the bells if you want to see them. Here they go. Here we go. And there we go. The first chime you ever seen. And also I think the bells chime are in like the wrong time, I think. So maybe we should like fix that later. and after that, we should put this into my room. So now this is the best grandfather clock what you ever seen. The first time. Alright guys, and also remember to like and subscribe and watch my another videos into my channel, and peace!